Hey, food and travel lovers. Welcome to D1tv Channel. I'm Betty. I am diving into the world of culinary tourism, savor the world through culinary vacations. If you love exploring new cultures through food, this is the ultimate travel experience for you. Culinary tourism is perfect for foodies, travel enthusiasts, and anyone looking to immerse themselves in authentic local cuisine. Whether you're a home cook, an adventurous eater, or a professional chef, these vacations bring flavors to life in the most exciting way. With culinary tourism, you don't just visit a place, you taste it. Join cooking classes with local chefs, explore bustling food markets, and savor traditional dishes made from the freshest ingredients. From making pasta in Italy to street food tours in Thailand, every bite is a new adventure. Unlike regular vacations, culinary tourism connects you with cultures on a deeper level. It's a hands-on experience where you cook, taste, and learn the stories behind every dish. Plus, you get to bring home new skills, recipes, and unforgettable memories. Ready to embark on a delicious journey? Learn more below and subscribe to the D1tv channel for more amazing travel and food experiences. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest in culinary tourism. See you on the next adventure.